Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says solve the following for y. 3xy plus 5 equals 8z. So I have 3 different variables in this problem, and I'm going to solve for the variable y. So I'm going to use equation solving strategies in order to get the equation to say y equals, and have the expression on the other side with the numbers and the other variables. And so just like I would with any equation, I want to isolate my variable term 3xy. And to do that, I'm going to add the opposite of 5, which is negative 5, on both sides. So positive 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 plus 3xy is 3xy. On the right side, 8z minus 5, those are not like terms, so all I can do is express that 8z minus 5. Now to isolate y, since I'm having it multiplied by 3x, I'm going to divide 3x on both sides. And so 3x divided by 3x is 1y, and so I will have y equals. On the right side, I have 8z minus 5 over 3x, and that is already in simplest form. And so all I can do is express that. And so to solve this equation for y, I would say y equals 8z minus 5 over 3x.